exploring the delightful world of pan pizza. A journey for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the exciting world of English language learning. Today, we have a delicious topic to talk about: pan pizza. Whether you're a food lover, a cooking enthusiast, or just curious about English phrases, this video is for you. So, let's embark on this culinary journey together and unravel the mysteries of pan pizza. Pan pizza is a specific style of pizza that you might find in restaurants or pizzerias around the world. The phrase is made up of two parts: pan and pizza. Pan. This is a type of cooking utensil, typically a round and flat-bottomed container, used for frying, searing, or baking. Pans are made of various materials like metal, ceramic, or cast iron. Pizza. This is a popular Italian dish that has taken the world by storm. It consists of a round, flattened base of leavened wheat-based dough topped with tomatoes, cheese, and often various other ingredients like vegetables, meats, and condiments. When we combine these two words, pan pizza refers to a style of pizza that is baked in a pan rather than directly on the bricks of a pizza oven. This method gives the pizza a thick, crispy crust, and a soft, fluffy interior. Pan pizza is loved for its unique texture and delicious taste. Here are some of its key characteristics. Thick crust. Thanks to the pan, the dough rises high, resulting in a thick and fluffy crust. Crispy edges. The oil in the pan creates a crispy, golden brown edge that many find irresistible. Even cooking. The pan ensures that the heat is distributed evenly, cooking the pizza perfectly from edge to edge. Generous toppings. The thick crust of a pan pizza can support a generous amount of toppings, allowing for a hearty and satisfying meal. Pan pizza comes in various styles, depending on where you are in the world. Here are a few popular variations. Detroit-style pizza. Characterized by its rectangular shape, thick crust, and the cheese going all the way to the edges, creating a caramelized crust. Chicago deep dish, known for its high edges and thick layer of toppings. This pizza is almost like a savory pie. Sicilian pizza. A square or rectangular pizza with a thick crust, often topped with tomato sauce, anchovies, and onions. And that's a wrap on our delicious journey exploring pan pizza. We hope this video has not only made you a bit hungrier but also helped you understand what makes pan pizza so special and loved around the world. Whether you decide to try making it at home or order it from a pizzeria, you now know exactly what to expect from this delightful dish. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, happy learning and bon appetit!